Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the best products for your home and lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you a product that will make your summer nights more enjoyable and comfortable. It's the Qinux TowBite, a portable anti-mosquito lamp with UV light. If you're like me, you hate mosquitoes. They are annoying, they bite, and they can transmit diseases. You've probably tried different methods to get rid of them, like sprays, candles, or nets, but none of them are really effective or convenient. That's why I was so excited when I discovered the Qinux TowBite. It's a revolutionary mosquito elimination system that uses advanced technology to attract and kill mosquitoes without using any chemicals or harmful substances. The Qinux TowBite works by emitting a UV light that attracts mosquitoes and other flying insects. Then it sucks them into a powerful fan and traps them in a storage box where they die of dehydration. The storage box is easy to remove and clean, and the fan is very quiet and energy efficient. The Qinux TowBite is also very portable and easy to use. You can plug it into any USB port, like your laptop, power bank, or car charger. You can use it indoors or outdoors, wherever you need it. It has a long-lasting battery that can work for up to 12 hours on a single charge. I've been using the Qinux TowBite for a few weeks now, and I can tell you that it works wonders. And I feel safer knowing that I'm reducing the risk of mosquito-borne diseases. The Qinux TowBite is not only effective, but also stylish and elegant. It has a sleek design that blends in with any decor. It comes in different colors to suit your preference. It's also very affordable compared to other mosquito repellents on the market. If you want to get your own Qinux TowBite, you're in luck because they have a special offer right now. You can get 50% off if you order from their website today. Plus, they offer free shipping worldwide and a 30-day money-back guarantee. But hurry up because this offer won't last long. They are selling out fast, and they have limited stock available. So don't miss this chance to get rid of mosquitoes for good and enjoy a mosquito-free summer with the Qinux TowBite. To order your Qinux TowBite, just click on the link in the description below this video. It will take you to their official website where you can place your order securely and easily. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews like this one. See you next time.